Now, the next part is ethical and legal considerations in pen testing. This can become a gray area, scary area, or a really boring area. It just depends on you, really. Ethics and legality from the backbone of pen testing. This is what separates ethical hackers from malicious ones. Consent and scope are paramount. Never engage in pen testing activities without explicit permission, and always operate within the agreed boundaries, within the scope. Never step outside the scope, and always make sure you have a get out of jail free card and make sure you have the document to test. Now, the legal landscape of hacking is complex. Ignorance of the law is not a defense, so it's crucial to be well versed in cyber laws. For example, unauthorized access, even without malintention, can lead to legal repercussions under the laws like Computer Fraud and Abuse Act in the US. Ethical hacking is not just about technical skills, it's about integrity and responsibility. Every action you take as a pen tester should be guided by ethical principles and legal compliance. Now we got that out of the way. That should be it for this part. Let's go ahead and jump into the next part.